Hey guys, SkibbidyWebby here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install mods into BeamNG Drive. Now, firstly, what you want to do is, just open up the game, go to Manage User Folder, go to Open an Explorer, it'll bring up this little menu right here, go to Mods, and it will bring up your current mods. Then, you're going to need to go to Google and get a mod. Here I have a BMW E36. Quite a nice mod. Now, you want to take this into a view where you can see your mods folder and the Google Chrome tab at the same time. Then go to your download, where you've already pre-downloaded, I assume, your mod. Drag the mod into the mod folder and drop it. You'll see it, it's now in the mod folder. I will do this for the rest of my mods that are already installed. My other mod, and one more. This one's still finishing, but this one right here. That one, hang on, drag it again. And now it's in again. There we go. So I have all three of my mods in my mod folder. And that's all you need to do. Then you can go to BeamNG and boot up the game, and your mods will be there. No need to unpack, no need to unzip. This is the easiest way that I've found to install mods. Thank you for watching.